Hi everyone, this is a tutorial about how to start a grad plan, and as you'll see, so I've got my grad plan pulled up right here. Let me just try to get this part close. Okay, there we go. So this is what the opening of your grad plan will look like, and mine's a little different because I am a day student. I am not an online student. But if you're just starting grad plan, what you'll usually see is they'll have a declared plan for you, and then it will say professional studies right here. Now what the issue that you might be having is it's not letting you view the plan because every time you click view plan it says you need to meet with an advisor, you're missing degree components. For some reason every time a declared plan is made without the certificates being declared within it, it doesn't let students open it. I don't know why it does this. It's a little bit of a glitchy thing, but this is what I'm going to show you today. I'm going to show you how to get around that. So what you'll want to do is you'll just ignore this declared plan here, and you're going to create an alternate plan. So you'll click this create alternate plan button, and I'm going to just put the major of professional studies. I'm going to do a bachelor's degree for my example, but just depending on whatever choice you are taking, you'll click either the associate option or the Bachelor of Science option. So I'm going to do the bachelor. And then I'm just going to declare the catalog here. Just give me 1 second. Okay. So once you declare professional studies, you're going to get to this page, and you'll scroll down and you'll see you have two options. As an online student, you have to pick the first option. Option 2 is a certificate and a minor, and our online students are not able to do minors. So you need to pick this first one where it has 3 different certificates. And so what you'll want to do next is you'll want to enter in your certificates that you're wanting to do in these 3 boxes. Now, before you add a certificate, you need to make sure that the certificate you're choosing is offered online. So you're going to want to go to the byupathway.org website. And you're going to want to make sure that you're picking certificates that are shown on this website. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to this professional studies option, do a bachelor's of professional studies. So here are my different options for certificates that I can pick. Now, what you'll want to check as you're exploring certificates that you might want to do is that the certificate that you're interested in is one that you've met the prerequisite requirements for, or one that there aren't any prerequisite requirements for. So for example, I'm going to just click on this administrative assistant option, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to go down to this program requirements section. And you'll see in the second paragraph down here, it says this is an introductory certificate. So this is a certificate that anyone can do without doing any prerequisite requirements. So that's an example of an introductory certificate, but an example of a advanced certificate is, you could say advanced family history research. You'll scroll down to this section right here, and you'll see it says this is an advanced certificate. Before you do the certificate, you have to complete the family history research certificate. And so you're going to want to check this as you explore certificates and make sure that either it's an introductory certificate or it's one that you've already completed the prerequisite requirements for. So the only exception to this rule is the Child and Family Advocacy certificate. If you go to this web page, you'll see that it says you have to do the Advanced Marriage and Family Functioning certificate prior to completing the certificate. However, for professional studies students, we've made it available, so you don't have to do any prerequisite certificates before doing this one. This is the only exception to that rule. So let's go back to my grad planner here, and I'm going to declare 3 certificates that I'm wanting to do. So let's say I want to do maybe Child and Family Advocacy for my first one. And then I'm going to just select the catalog year that I'm in. And then, let's see, maybe for my second one, I'm going to do the Graphic Design Fundamentals certificate. And this certificate, for some reason in the grad planner, it's not under Graphic Design Fundamentals, it's only under Design Fundamentals. So I'm going to type this in, and you'll see the certificate right here. Again, I don't know why they haven't changed that yet, but it's under a different name within the grad planner. And then my last one, maybe I want to do, let's see, community health planning and implementation. And I select that one. So these three that I've selected are all introductory certificates. Now let's say that I wanted to do the business and leadership skills certificate as my third certificate rather than community health planning and implementation. I could do that because I'm also completing design fundamentals. So design fundamentals is going to be the prerequisite to business and leadership skills. So if I theoretically did that business and leadership skills certificate rather than community health planning, I could do it as long as I complete the certificate first. So now I'm going to click the start planning button, and I'm just going to name the plan whatever I want. Again, this is whatever you want to name it. I'm just going to call it Hannah's plan. And then I'm going to click OK. And again, it usually takes a second. Okay, so now it's generating my grad plan, and it will pull it up. I'm going to create another video that is basically me going through the different grad planner, like the different grad planner tools and how to navigate it and complete your plan. So if you have any questions, just refer to the next video if you're needing help planning your actual plan. If you have any other questions regarding starting a grad plan or declaring certificates within it, please let me know. You can just email me or email the advising email. So yeah, thanks guys.